Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with slow Wi-Fi or connectivity issues? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some of the best Wi-Fi Analyzer apps available for Android that can help you assess and optimize your wireless network. These tools provide valuable insights into your Wi-Fi environment, helping you choose the best settings for a faster and more reliable connection. Let's jump in and find out how you can supercharge your Wi-Fi experience. Wi-Fi Analyzer App. The Wi-Fi Analyzer app is a widely used tool that helps users assess and optimize their Wi-Fi networks. It provides a user-friendly interface with real-time data on surrounding Wi-Fi networks, allowing users to see signal strength, channel distribution, and network configuration. This app enables users to identify which channels are the least congested, helping them choose the best channel for their own Wi-Fi network to minimize interference and enhance performance. With additional features like a signal strength meter and various viewing options, the Wi-Fi Analyzer app is an essential tool for anyone looking to improve their wireless connectivity. Wi-Fi Analyzer Android. Wi-Fi Analyzer Android is another popular application that offers powerful features for analyzing and optimizing Wi-Fi networks. This app provides detailed information about nearby networks, including signal strength, channel usage, and network IDs (SIDs). Users can view graphical representations of network data, making it easy to visualize the performance of their connections. With a built-in scanner, Wi-Fi Analyzer Android can help users identify potential interferences and suggest optimal settings for their router. Its straightforward design and comprehensive features make it a valuable tool for both casual users and network administrators looking to enhance their Wi-Fi experience. Wi-Fi Analyzer for Android. Wi-Fi Analyzer for Android is a helpful app designed to assist users in monitoring their Wi-Fi networks effectively. It offers a range of useful features, such as displaying nearby Wi-Fi networks, analyzing signal strength, and presenting detailed information about channel utilization. Users can benefit from its graphical displays, which provide insights into the best channels to use for improved performance. The app also includes features to track Wi-Fi signal strength over time, enabling users to see how changes in their environment affect their connection. With its easy-to-navigate interface and helpful functions, Wi-Fi Analyzer for Android is an excellent choice for those looking to optimize their wireless network. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best Wi-Fi Analyzer apps helps you improve your wireless connectivity and performance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations. Have you tried any of these apps? Share your experiences in the comments below.